This is the gap on the rear hatch on the right hand side. This is the gap on the hatch on the left hand side. This is the rear bumper to the brake light housing assembly on the left hand side. Sorry for the lighting, but this is that same gap on the right hand side. It's not perfectly aligned, but it's a lot smaller. This is the front corner of the passenger side headlight housing. Sounds like the Tesla just woke up. Driver's side headlight housing. Doesn't look too bad from 3 to 4 feet away. Those are the only panel issues that I've come across. They're not all that bad really. Coming from a Corvette Grand Sport, a C7 Corvette, these gaps in the panels are actually pretty damn good. The Corvette has some random bulging in a lot of the panels, and the gaps are inconsistent as well. This is actually not too bad. Not too bad at all.